Hi everybody. So I was playing around with Photoshop and I saw another illustrator who was playing around with this feature of creating patterns in Photoshop. So it was in a update, I guess within the last 6 months or 7 months ago. So there's something called pattern preview. Okay, so here is a block that I have, and this will actually do a repeat pattern. But if I had elements that were just randomly placed in the block and I wasn't sure, like I have this bunny rabbit here, it's the other half of it's placed here, and I had to do that old school. So to make it easier for yourself, you can use, if you go to View, and it's called Pattern Preview. And then I'm just going to hit yes. I want to, I know that you should use smart objects. This happens, and this is so cool. So anything on the tile, I can go ahead and just move, and it shows you in live how the pattern is going to look. So how it's going to be seamless. Okay, so, but then what if okay, so I'm just going to adjust that and say, well, what if I put it here? And maybe I make another one right here. I'm duplicating that. And look at that. Isn't that cool? Boom. And maybe I'll put another one here. So I love this feature because I think what happened was I used an app called Textile. I'm trying to remember what it was called. It was some kind of textile app that they had as a demo. See how I can place this here. But I'm just kind of like messing around with it. It's probably actually be better if I put these center pieces in. So I'm like I can literally live view and see how the pattern's going to work. Actually, I'm just going to delete that. See how nice that is? And maybe I'll turn this. So it's so much easier to do a repeat pattern because it reminds me of a little bit of Adobe Illustrator's patterning feature. So I'm going to put this here. Maybe I want them to somehow connect. Actually, I don't. Anyways. All right, so now I have like this new pattern created. So I'm going to go to Window, and then the pattern panel is right here. It's checkmark, so I already have it open. Then all I have to do is hit the little plus, and it should have added that pattern to it. Oh, yeah, I didn't click it right here, and I could name it, and I'm going to hit OK, and boom, it's right here. The other way I could do it is I can go to Edit, and I can go Define Pattern, and I can do it that way. So 2 options for creating a pattern. They have just made it so much easier to do this. So anyways, I wanted to share that with you. Super excited. So another way to make a repeat pattern in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.